Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can use gift card online on Argos. So in order to use gift card online on Argos, all you need to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you'll have to open up a browser and log in into your account. So then to log in into your account, you need to type in the address, that is www.argos.co.uk, and that's going to direct you to their official page. Now once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. So basically the way to use your gift card online is that you can use it as a way of payment method while purchasing an item. So all you have to do is just select the product that you actually wish to buy, and once you're done adding the product to your cart, then you can just go ahead and enter in your detail information, that is your billing address and all sort of information. And once you've added the following product, you can just go ahead and tap on add to trolley if you want to buy the following product, and next page is going to be added to your trolley. And once the product has already been added to the trolley, enter in the billing address, and then you can just go ahead and apply your gift card by entering the 20-digit number that will be located on the back of the card and then the bin, and immediately you'll get a discount on the following purchase. So that's basically how you can use your gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.